Our main focus as a team is enterprise use cases of virtual and augmented reality. And in the engagements we've had with our clients, that typically comes up in a few different ways. One really fantastic area is training, being able to give somebody the ability to hands-on manipulate a piece of machinery, or be immersed in an environment that might force them to make some decisions and really feel like they are stepping into the shoes of somebody and how they might feel in that particular environment. So training's a fantastic enterprise use case, and we're seeing a lot of traction around that.
Both in the technical sense, but also in corporate compliance, sensitivity training, with HR kind of way as well. Yeah,
360 or 180 video is a great way to get a sense of an environment and feel like you're actually in that space. And compared to going through a video and checking tick boxes and really just maybe not feeling quite as attached to the content, VR really does have a real advantage there that places you in those environments. Another area where we're super keen to explore more and have started to do some work is around data visualization and coalescing that with machine learning. If you think about Iron Man and the Jarvis artificial intelligence Iron Man has, he's really having a conversation with the computer and displaying results in a holographic form. And that's something you're going to see from a lot of companies. You can imagine interacting with Cortana and visualizing a spreadsheet holographically in a table in front of you. That is going to be the native form in which people in the future are likely to interact with their computers as opposed to with a mouse or some other kind of device. And that just requires a whole different level of thought and thinking about how do you lay out the tools that you're used to using on a traditional screen today.
Yeah. If you think about just corporate IT in general, it's all about data. Rows and rows and columns and columns and cubes of data. And trying to extract meaning out of those data is a very difficult thing. And you think about the tools like SQL databases and Excels and business intelligence. All these things are really trying to get meaning to this data. And one of the best techniques for enterprise users is really to kind of take that data, maybe run it through some kind of AL or machine learning process to extract insights from it, but then present it in a graphical form, and to get to the crux of the matter that all these data are trying to tell us. And so working with machine learning specialists, it's something that we are doing, putting a lot of effort into, is to create these experiences that allow a user to make sense of his or her situation.